Hi, I'm Dale Fallon, and I'm here with a public service announcement about pipeline health. How's your pipeline? Is it good? Is it filled and overflowing with ideal prospects, with clients you're excited to be doing business with clients who fit your company's values, your company's product mix, your company's pricing structure, with clients who want to work with you over the long haul to create a high-value relationship? If your pipeline is filled with prospects like this, then congratulations. I'm excited for you. If it's not, if it is emaciated, if it is weak, if your pipeline is filled with names and email addresses of people you don't really know, or suspects, or people who might buy at some point in time, or who probably will buy, but we're not really sure if we want to do business with them because they've been such a challenge just in this phase of the process. If that's where your pipeline is, then we need to talk about the Ideal Client Challenge. We need to talk about what the Communication Gym can do for you to help you define, attract, earn, and retain the business of ideal clients. That's what we focus on in the Ideal Client Challenge. That's what we want to help you to do, is to improve your pipeline health. Check out our webinar, and I look forward to seeing you at the gym.